Hi, Kyle Klaus at Liberty Safe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the user code in your Lincoln safe. A word of caution before changing the user code on your electronic lock. It's always important to open the safe door first and keep it open while changing the code in the event that you lock yourself out of your safe by entering the wrong code. So let's go ahead and open the safe door right now. So here I've entered the default code and I've opened the safe door. So in order to change the code on your electronic lock, I'm going to hit the menu or OK button. It's going to pull up the menu. I'm going to scroll down to select System menu and press OK. And now it's going to ask me to enter my original default code or the code that I already have in the program. In this case, it's 123456. And now it's verified. And then it again says Select Menu. I'm going to scroll down to change code and click OK. It's going to set the code of ID01 and it's going to ask me for the new code. Here I'm going to enter 654321 and then it's going to ask me to repeat that code 654321 and now the code has been saved. Now if I was to try to open the safe with the default code, it won't work. So I'll select the back menu. I'll enter the code 123456 and it gives me an invalid code. However, if I enter 654321, now you can hear the safe lock open on the inside and your code has changed. Thanks for watching. For more information on Liberty Safe, make sure to follow us on social media on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and also subscribe to our newsletter.